All right. We're back. Another one. We're gonna get the wheel fixed. I'm gonna pull the car out real quick so you guys can see it. When he's putting the wheels on, it got damaged. So just gonna go get it fixed real quick, and then I think that's gonna be it for today. I was gonna make this like one video, but I need to get a video by Wednesday because my videos from the weekend kind of got ruined. So it's another video, more content for you all. And if you guys like it, make sure you subscribe and share the video. Appreciate that. I'm trying to set a new goal for the channel, trying to get to 5K subs. So I would appreciate if you guys would share the videos when you watch them, comment, all that stuff. Help me get up the algorithm. And yeah, we'll get today started. I think that's all I got. Yeah, let's go. All right, guys, so here's the wheel. Yeah, I think that pretty bad in a couple of spots, so I'm just gonna have the professionals take care of it. And I'll see you guys when we get there. Just got here to the spot. Man's right there. It's gonna get my wheel right.
Ryan Little.
Look how good this looks, y'all. Holy shit. This is like better than my expectation too. Got the gloss back in there. It looks brand new, cuz. Dang. I'm gonna hook it up. Be sure to hit my guy up right here. Blingham Rim Repair. We're in San Diego. Hit him up, he'll get you right. Got the skyline right, so it's only right to give my dude a shout out. This thing looking hella saucy now, bro. My new tire should be coming in like Friday, hopefully. And we'll be back on the road with this car. Take it out this weekend, since last weekend was a bust. So that actually went a lot better than what I expected, and I'm very happy with the result. Now this video is kind of short, so what's probably going to happen is I'm going to roll this video into the E85 review video, but I can't do that until I get my tire, which should be here on Friday, and I will know if I'll get a tire probably tomorrow. I'll find out if it'll be here Friday or not. So stay tuned to this video. It's, you know, it's whatever, but what can you do? Just smile through the bullshit, man, and you'll get through it eventually. But I'll be back with you guys in a few seconds or tomorrow or whenever, but you guys aren't gonna know because editing.